We're going to do another Valentine project. We're going to do another heart, and we're going to do two different lions. We're going to do a girl lion and a boy lion, and then maybe next week I'll do things that aren't so sappy. These are kind of sappy, but these are fun. We always make sure, you know, with our fingers, how are we going to draw a heart? We're going to start with a dot here and a dot there. Because remember, I did that with my fingers. You kind of draw before you start with the pen. And then we're going to go up and back around. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go up and back around. And they're a little lopsided, but that's okay. We're going to figure it out. All right, so then the next step is to put another heart in the center, because we're going to have two lion heads, and the lions are going to be holding this heart. So we're going to do a dot and then another dot. And we're going to do the same thing up and back around, and then up and back around. And remember, if I draw too fast, you can always stop the video and then start it back up when you catch up. Okay, so this is a lion's head, and this is going to be a lion's head. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a circle the best that we can, like that. It's a little off, but that's okay. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, just like that. And then we're going to create another circle in the middle. And then we're going to add two eyes, an eye here and an eye there. Then we're going to have this lion is going to be looking at the other lion. So that's how you do it with the eyes. Then we're going to do a nose, which is a straight line and an upside down triangle. And then we're going to add a big old smile, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to draw a circle. And then we're going to draw two eyes, which is an oval and another oval. And then the eyes, you're going to be looking over here. So we do a curved line, and then a dot, and then a curved line and another dot. So then this line is looking at that lion, and we're going to do the same thing over here. We do a line for the top of the nose, and then an upside down triangle, and then we're going to have it smile, just like that. And then, you know, a lion has a big mane. So what we're going to do is we're just going to divide up by adding stripes coming from the center out to the outside. So then we can color it and give it a variety of colors. And I might even divide that again. And we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to divide it up. Just like that. So then we can color these different colors. We're going to do like a yellow and an orange and a darker orange, and then go all the way around. Lots of variety. Okay, so these lions are going to be holding on to our heart. So we need to put an arm in here, or a paw, a leg. I don't know how you want to say it. Anyway, we're going to pull it over and zap it back around. And so then this lion is holding the heart, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to grab right underneath here, and we're going to pull it out and back around. So then each lion is holding on to the heart. Now, the other thing that I thought would be fun is if we're going to have a girl lion and a boy lion. Let's say the boy lion is king of the mountain. So he's going to have a crown. Let's see, do we want to put the crown here? I think I'll put it here. Yeah, we'll just do, so you're going to do a line, a straight line down, and then another line down, and then you're going to pull it over. And then we're going to do the crown on top. So it's basically a zigzag line. You pull it out, zigzag in, out, in, out, in, out. You can do it 3 times or 4 times. It really doesn't matter. And maybe he has jewels in his you know, on his crown. And then over here, why don't we put a bow in her hair? So we're going to do a line like that, a line like this, curve it over, and then we're going to do a loop that goes out, and then you're having a wavy line back around, and you're going to do the same thing over here. You have a loop that comes out, and then a wavy line for the bow. And then a bow is usually made out of ribbon. So the ribbon, we're going to add a little bit of ribbon here and a little bit of ribbon here. So we're going to pull a line out, do a zigzag, and pull the ribbon back. We're going to do the same thing over here. Maybe it comes down to a zigzag and then pull it back up. Just like that. So now we're ready to color our lion. I think what I want to do is I want their noses to be black, like that. And maybe they have little dots and whiskers. Lions have whiskers, right? All right. So what I want to do is have the heart have like a shine on one side, and then we'll put a shadow on the other. So I'm going to put a round circle for part of the shine, and then I'm going to curve around. This is kind of like a little bubble like that, so it kind of looks like there's a shine up here on the drawing. So now we have to decide what color we want our, you know, our lion to be. What color do we want the heart to be? So let's make the heart red.
Just like I always say, be creative. If you want a red heart, use a red heart. Remember, you do not have to do exactly what I do.
And you can color yours any way you want to. If you want a pink heart, then, oh my word, make a pink heart. If you want the heart to be a blue heart, make it a blue heart. It just really doesn't matter. Just like that. Okay, let's see. What color of eyes do you want them to have? Maybe green eyes? I don't know. What color do, I don't know. I don't know if lions, they're probably gold, but I think I'll make them green. Just something different.
Don't miss another video. Subscribe today.
So I have a scrap piece of paper that I always use to kind of scribble to kind of figure out what color I want to use. So I think that I'm going to do
these 3 colors for the stripes for the mane for the lions. But remember, this is your design. This is your art. You can do it any way you want to. You can do it this way or any other way you'd like to.
That didn't quite come out the same. Whoops. So yellow.
And what I'm going to do for the coloring part of it is speed up my video and add some music, and you guys get to color any way you want to. Have fun. and come back and see me. I can't wait to see your artwork. Come to my website. I'd love to post your artwork in my gallery. Talk to you soon. Bye.